It's the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for Friday, the 14th of December. I'm Michael Groff. A vigorous upper-level low and associated cold front will bring rain in here this afternoon and tonight. The potential of strong to severe storms as well, maybe a few tornadoes. Let's talk about it as we look at the almanac from yesterday. 77 degrees for the high, 56 the morning low. No rain in the bucket yesterday, but that'll be changing today. Outside right now here at 7:45 a.m., cloudy skies out there. A few light showers right now. 72 degrees out at TIA. Dew points at 64. Humidity 78%. Winds light. Barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, it's warm and soupy. Most of us upper 60s and low 70s. And the radar right now shows the concentration of rain. The rain shield is up there toward the Nature Coast, Citrus County. Certainly seeing some rain and out over the Gulf, although a few scattered showers right now ongoing across parts of the Tampa metro area. The upper air look, there's our vigorous upper low over East Texas. This is a fairly stacked system, and this is going to be the impetus for widespread rain, thunderstorms, and maybe some severe weather later. The watch warning map right now, we've got wind advisories over Texas, dense fog advisories up north, and here in Florida, we have flash flood watches in effect. North Florida, southern Georgia, they get as close to us as Pasco County, and that's in effect until 10 p.m. tonight. And as of this video update, no flash flood watches for Tampa proper, but those are getting closer to us. And of course, we expect to see that, and maybe even some severe thunderstorm watches posted at some point today. We'll keep an eye on that. Convective outlook for today, we've got the standard slight risk of severe storms. That's level 2 out of 5 here for Central and North Florida, including Tampa Bay, Orlando, Jacksonville, Gainesville, all in that slight risk area with a marginal risk further to the north. Precipitation outlook valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Amounts have come way up, now somewhere around 4 inches here for Central Florida, including Tampa Bay. And most of that is going to come today through tomorrow morning, although a little bit possible late next week, which we'll detail now, along with everything else as we get out to the models. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is the upper look at about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. Vigorous upper low somewhere around the Sabine Pass this afternoon. And down at the surface, it translates to increasing amounts of moisture, showers, thunderstorms coming in. Our cold front will still be centered to the west today. So we'll be seeing some discrete cells out ahead of that and scattered showers and thunderstorms. Then the main band or squall line of storms comes in here later this afternoon and tonight. Let's get into the high-res models and try to break down what's happening here. First, we'll show you the instability. This is the CAPE, Convective Available Potential Energy. This shows you how freely the air parcels will be rising today. Amounts around 1,000 joules per kilogram here. So certainly we have the atmospheric instability. Here's the bulk shear this afternoon coming off the 3-kilometer NAM. And again, these values are decent. They're not screaming, but this is still showing that there's some degree of rotation, veering of the winds with altitude, and reasonably strong winds through the atmospheric column. And then the significant tornado parameter. And again, amounts over 1 unit, which is certainly eyebrow raising. So we have to look for that. And let me show you the simulated radar products as well. This is coming off of the 3-kilometer NAM. Now, this is at 10 o'clock tonight, and the NAM, for whatever reason, is showing a much slower onset of the main squall line with our cold front. It's showing more discrete cells through the day, and then better organization of showers and thunderstorms coming in here later tonight. I think this is too slow. I'll show you a different model. This is the HRRR, the High Resolution Rapid Refresh, and this is at 3 o'clock this afternoon, and it shows showers and thunderstorms coming in here, and the main band approaching us from the north and west, and this is where the best chance of severe weather will come in. So I think the bottom line for today is we're going to go with numerous showers and storms coming in by this afternoon. And I'd say the main severe weather window for us will be afternoon today, sometime, say, between about 1 o'clock and 10 p.m. this evening. And then the severe weather threat will quickly transition into more of a rain event overnight and into early Saturday. Highs this afternoon will be in the upper 70s. All right, now by tonight, yes, the showers will continue, lows mostly in the mid-60s, and then tomorrow we'll look for showers and isolated thunderstorms in the morning and then decreasing clouds in the afternoon. High temperatures low 70s. Upper 60s and low 70s on Sunday as we dry out, partly cloudy skies there. Then mostly sunny on Monday as we enter into a period of dry weather here. And highs right around 70, more or less the same thing on Tuesday. And Wednesday, we've got a system approaching from the west, a wave over Texas, which will pump up some moisture across the Gulf. So we'll see increasing clouds. And I'd say at least a chance of showers out here by about Thursday, but certainly nothing severe and not particularly heavy rain, just some light rain possible out there toward the end of next week. Here's a week from today. This is Friday, the 21st. We've got a big ridge over the western states and a wave over Texas and the western Gulf. Southwest flow, maybe some light rain around here. Let's go out 10 days. This is the end of the period. Sunday, the 23rd. And a little wave out over the west and transitioning into the plain states. Another weak wave out over the Gulf, so there still could be some clouds and some light showers around. And just for the heck of it, let's go all the way out. Let's go further out toward Christmas Day. And a very impressive trough over the southwest states, moving out into the plains. And a wave over the Gulf still, so we could be seeing a wet Christmas around here across much of the southeast, including Florida. Let's check the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. And today looks like the warmest day, and then we'll gradually cool it off. And then high temperatures around where we should be for this time of year, mostly 60s and low 70s, and lows mainly in the 50s to near 60. And that's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning, although updates, if necessary, throughout the day today. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, suggestions, all your feedback always encouraged as well. Be safe out there. Have yourselves a fantastic Friday.